Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 2.2 of second chapter relation and function from NCERT textbook. So here is question number 1. In question number 1, it has been said let A equal to a set whose element is 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Okay. And further said define a relation R from A to A. Okay, define a relation R from A to A by R equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0, where both x and y belong to set A. Okay, and here further say write down this domain, codomain and range. Okay, so we have given a set A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Okay, and relation defined by R equal to ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so let us first find the element of the relation. Okay, here relation is defined by 3x minus y equal to 0. So therefore the relation R is equal to, okay, now finding all ordered pair of the relation. Okay, by taking the value of x and y from the set A. Okay, so input the value of x is 1. Okay, and value of y, to get the value of y equal to 3. So the first ordered pair in the relation is 1, comma 3. Next, okay, if taking the value of x is 2, then we will get the value of y equal to 3 to the 6. So second ordered pair in the relation is 2, comma 6, and now substituting the value of 3 over here. Okay, so here we get the value of y is 3 3 ja 9. Okay, so this is 3 3 ja 9. And next, taking the value of x is 4. So we will get the value of y is 12. Okay, and further taking 5, then we will get the value of y equal to 15. But 15 is not belong set A. Okay, so only 4 ordered pair are belong in the set relation 1, comma 3, 2, comma 6, 3, comma 9, 4, comma 12. Okay, so this is the set of relation. Okay, and further here ask write its domain, codomain and range. So as we know what is a domain, codomain and range. Okay, we have explained in previous video. Domain is the set of all first element. Okay, domain is the set of all first element of the ordered pair of the relation. Okay, and range is the and whole set of second whole set is A is called codomain. Okay. Let us draw the arrow diagram of the relation. Suppose here is the set A and this is the set A, because the relation defined from set A to A. So in set in relation, the first element of the ordered pair is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and second element is 3, 6, 9, 12. So 1 with 3, 2 with 6, 3 with 9, 4 with 12. Okay, so domain are equal to domain R equal to a set of all first element of the ordered pair. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And range R is the set of all second element of the ordered pair of relation. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, range is the element of all second element of the ordered pair in a relation, and whole set is called codomain. Here see domain R equal to the whole set. Okay, the whole set this is called codomain. So whole set codomain R equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Okay. Whole set equal to codomain, and whole set A right here. Whole set A. Whole set A means whole set A equal to, here is whole set A. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash up to 14. Okay. This is codomain. So dear children, this is required solution of question number 1. Okay children, now move to the question number 2. In this question, it has been given, define a relation R. Okay, define a relation R on the set n. Okay, set n means on the set n of natural numbers by R equal to ordered pair x y such that y equal to x plus 5, where x is a natural number less than 4 and x y belong to natural number. Okay, and further ask depict this relationship using roster form. Okay, in roster form write down the domain and the range. Okay, write down domain. Okay, write down domain and the range. Okay, this is written. Write down the domain and range. Okay, so let us solve. So the relation defined on the set of natural number, it is defined by r equal to order pair x from y, where y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. Okay. Okay. So relation r equal to. Okay. So let us take first x equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then the value of y to get corresponding x equal to 1 equal to 6, and x equal to 2, y equal to get y equal to 7, x equal to 3 to get y equal to 8. Okay, so the ordered pair in relation 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Okay, so these are the ordered pair in the relation R. 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Okay, and here also said depict this relation by using roster form. Okay, so let us depict over here. This is a set n natural number. This is also a set n of natural number. So here 1, 2, 3, and this is 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1 depict to 6, 2 is 7, and 3 is 8. Okay, okay. Now write down the domain and range. So the domain is the set of all first element of the ordered pair in a relation. Okay, so domain R equal to all the first element of the ordered pair. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, next is range. So range is the all second element of the ordered pair. Range is the all second element of the ordered pair. This is 6, 7, 8. Okay, so finally solve all the parts. Okay, the depicts arrow diagram, write down domain and range. So this is the required solution of question number 2. Okay, this is question number 3. In this question it has been given a set A equal to, whose element is 1 2 3 4 5, and set B equal to 4 comma 6 comma 9. Okay, define a relation R from set A to B by R equal to ordered pair x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. Okay, the relation defined by ordered pair x comma y, where the differences between x and y is odd, where x belongs to set A and y belongs to set also A. Write relation R in roster form. Okay, so let us write relation. So differences between x and y is odd. Okay, so let us find the differences odd. Okay, so taking 1 with minus 4 equal to 3, this is odd. Okay, and 1 with 6. So 1 with 6 equal to 5. Okay, next 2 with 9 equal to 7. Okay, and 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 equal to 3. Okay, this is also odd. Here minus, this is minus. All are minus, but do not mention. Okay, only write the odd number in the relation differences. Okay, so next is, okay, to write 4 minus 1 equal to 3, also 6 minus 1 equal to 5, 9 minus 2 equal to 7, 6 minus 3 equal to 3, and next 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Okay, 5 minus 4 equal to 1, and next 5 minus 6 equal to also 1. Okay, so all ordered pair in the relation whose differences between them is 1 could be 1 comma 4, 1 comma 6, next 2 comma 9. Okay, 2 comma 9, and 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6. Okay, so these are the elements of the relation. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4 is 1 minus 4 is 3, 1 comma 6 is 5, this is also odd, 2 comma 9, 7 odd, 3 comma 4, 1 is also odd, 3 minus 6, 3, this is odd, and 5 comma 4 odd, 5 minus 6 odd. Okay, so these are the set of relation written in roster form. Okay.